In this video, we will be talking about what to do weekly to get lots of XP, or basically how to farm XP weekly efficiently and effectively. During Wednesdays, you want to do the Wednesday stage. In the Wednesday stage, you can get cut jobs. Cut jobs is a buff that gives you 1.5 times more experience than usual upon stage clear. So you get half more of what you should have received in that stage. So what this gives you is that during the weekend stages, you can activate this to get more XP. In the weekend stage, it is the XP stage. And you farm cut jobs during Wednesdays, and then you farm the actual XP in the weekend stage. So, in the Wednesday stage, it is really important to defeat the highest difficulty of it, because it gives you the highest probability of getting cut jobs. So as you can see, in the easy stage, it's unlikely. In the normal, it's unlikely. And in the hard stage, it's likely. And if there is a Wednesday Blitz stage, it is a guaranteed chance to pick up cut jobs. So Wednesday Blitz stage is an event during Wednesdays. So you can check in the events and see what time it is up. Usually it only lasts for 1 hour. So in this time, it's 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and 7 o'clock. So let's learn. So in the Wednesday stage, cut jobs hard, it's actually very easy. It can be defeated by everyone. And in the Wednesday Blitz stage, if you just have good anti-red cat units, then it's an easy win. So let's try and check. So the lineup that I use is this one. So the units in the first row are just for the cat combos. So you want to deploy as much as possible. And the game will play itself. It's actually really easy. Just need to release cat units. And I built this team to make this stage, to clear this stage as fast as possible. Well, for my team. And of what cat I have. So that's a new sign for me that everything still turns out fine, because it's actually really easy. So that's all. What is actually? So you want to reserve your cut jobs during the weekend stage so that you can activate it and farm with it, so that you can farm more efficiently. So let's do it again. Let me see you. Let me play this stage again so that you can see how to defeat it and how easy it is. So it is the Kraken. And it's just a matter of patient emotion. And we took it down. Now that's well-timed Bahamut. Now we just end this stage. So just for an idea of how strong am I will allow you to see the units that I have used. So these were Crazed Whale, my level 18 Power Cutter Cat, Crazed Giraffe Cat, level 20, total of level 37 Cyborg Cat, level 30 Awakened Bahamut Cat, and that's it for the video.